not the first part, but everything else.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You feel it?
It was so much smoother. Like everything was smoother.
Like your tires weren't rock hard?
Yeah.
Nice.
Crazy how that works.
Yeah, right. I think our fronts might be a little too low, but not low enough that like we're gonna get a flat tire or anything, but like low enough that now you'll start to feel like you'll almost hit a rock and be like, oh, my tire's flat, but it's not flat. It's just,
well, it's like I hit a rock now and I don't even feel it.
It's not hard as a rock. Yeah. So let's go up. I'm gonna follow you. Okay. Just keep going. You know where the other mine goes, just go. I want to follow you, and wherever you're comfortable with going to, I think we can hit that other mine.
Okay.
Right to the bottom of it.
Okay.
Let's try to go there.
Okay.
I'll follow you.
Oh.
Hey Chad, what took you so long?
Slick ain't cooperating.
That section is horrible. So I told Jake we're gonna go up a little farther. We're gonna follow him and see how he, see where he gets to, and I think we can get to that mine. He says it's a night and day difference.
What's that?
I let a bunch of air out of his tires. He was like rock hard. Yeah, buddy. That was awesome.
Right there?
Now we can just park it right here.
Holy shit!
I knew that was awesome, dude. You were committed. I was like, he's committed now. He's going.
Have to work out. Yeah.
Wow. Now will be a good time to practice your front and rear brake. But this ain't bad. Like the slow, like kind of like when we were out there and you were going super slow. Just do that on the way down.
Yep.
We may have to go shoot that hill one more time because we lowered the air pressure.
That's not a bad idea, actually.
Now, wouldn't you say, well, obviously there's a difference, and I think that's going to be for another video. So stay tuned. We're going to do another video with Jake here, or he's going to do one on his channel, talking about the importance of air pressure where you're riding. Now, pavement, you want pressure. Dirt, you want lower pressure. Snow, Chad, what do you say?
Soft.
Softer.
You want low pressure.
Low pressure. Sand, drop that air pressure.
So really, the only time you want high pressure is if you're on the street.
More highway, yeah.
If you're in sand, momentum.
Sand, momentum. Yeah, I mean, it was anything. Like, it's, yeah. Next video, stay tuned. We're here with Rally with Rolly. Go check out his channel. Go check out Handbrake Jake's channel. And you want some fun facts, man? He's your guy. Rally with Rolly. I don't know. I always look forward to his videos because you never know what. Yeah. It's, you know, did you know that the deepest mine in America is in his channel? Go check it out. Peace.
It's in Africa.
Oh.
It's in Philippines.